had one bite, and I just got one right here.
Sipping on my lean and I'm
Alright, what's up guys? That bass fishing dude here, and we are on location. We had to shoot our intro already in the boat, pulled it out this morning, and yeah, so I apologize for the audio because I forgot my big camera battery, so there won't be any good microphone audio coming from my DSLR today. So we're gonna use the good old cell phone, but we do have the GoPro, which I am not even wearing, so I have to go back and get the GoPro. So yeah, as soon as we get back to the truck, I'm gonna grab my GoPro and we're gonna switch it over to that, and we're just gonna get it going. It's gonna be a lot of pressure out here today. This is not the way I wanted this to go at all. It is what it is. I'm here now, so it's not really a lot I can do about it. A little backstory on this lake. It's in the summertime when it's really warm, really hot. There's a ton of lily pads out here. Back in that back corner, some of them have already started to kind of sprout back up, but this lake has a ton of grass in it, and it's typically really, really clear. Right now, from what I can see, the water clarity is decent. It's stained, but it's got about 1.5 feet of visibility. So there's tons of grass, tons of hydrilla. There's huge grass mats in here. They're very, very thick, so punching is next to impossible in here, just because of the sheer thickness of the mats. I fished this lake, and I can't even tell you how long ago. It's been a long time. I want to say last summer I fished this lake. I haven't been back out here since then. And of course back then this was a kind of a hidden gem. I don't want to say hidden, I mean it's pretty well known, but a lot of people didn't really fish out here. And now this seems to be the local hot spot. Water temps are 71 degrees, so got one right here. Little bitty dink. Dang, he's fighting it too. Dang, he choked it too. Oh, really? There we go. All right, little bitty dude.
Oh, you doing video too, huh?
Yeah, man. Video rage crawl. Flip or two around in here. Back here anymore, man. I really don't like this lake. I've never really had a ton of luck on this lake. I think I've caught 2 fish on this lake in the 20 times I've been here. So for me, it's just not, it's not worth it, man. It's too much pressure. Too many people know about it. Like if it was like a year ago, maybe. Like dude, there's 20 trucks over here. Yep, and then not even that, man. Like you got people that come here, they fish and they take the fish. You know, so that makes it even harder to fish.
I actually know who that guy is. I don't know him personally, but I know of him. And it seems like something that's, you know, true to his personality.
Bro, I just had a bite in here and he took my worm. Well guys, today was an absolute slaunch fest. Psych. Yeah, absolutely trash day. I mean, I caught 1 dink, my boy Ryan caught 2 2-pounders. Yeah, nobody out here is really catching anything. This is probably one of my least favorite places to come and fish. But yeah, it is what it is. There's not a lot to say about it. Saw a ton of snakes, lots of them nope ropes, and we don't mess with those. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the good old yak up out of the water, and we're gonna call this video where it is, because there's not really a lot to say. So it's one of those things, if you know, same as always, if you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, you hate what I'm doing, by all means leave some feedback down there in them comments. If you enjoy the video, man, please thumbs it up. That way we get some YouTube recommendations out there and get my content out to a lot more people. And yeah, but like I said, there's nothing else to really say. So we're gonna call this one a day, and we're gonna get the yak out of the water and we're gonna go home. So as always, that bass fishing dude out. Peace.